Welcome to the channel. It's AlmightyDen, and I want to thank all my new subscribers out there because we're closing in on 900 subscribers. And if you like making money in the stock market, the crypto market, making passive income, just go ahead and subscribe to the channel, cut the notifications on, like the video, because this channel is just for you, man. We're a community of people over here that just likes to make money and have fun in the process. Now today, we're going to talk about Cryptocom, give you an update there, and VVS Finance and their new partnership. We're going to give you an update on both of those, and we're going to start off with the Crypto.com chart on KuCoin and Coinbase as well. I'm going to show y'all both charts to show y'all the best case / worst case scenario, depending on how you look at it. But I'm going to say best case scenario because if you look at this chart on KuCoin, you can see that we are currently, still in a downtrend. Now you could consider this a pullback because it broke out around 20 cents. So if you got in down here, you're still up. This is a pullback. You could consider that a dip buying opportunity if you got in low down there. But our best case dip buying opportunity at its current trajectory would be like if it got all the way back down to about 20 something cents. Now it's at 22 cents, that 25-cent range. That would be an automatic level for me to buy the dip for sure. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm not saying it's going to get there, but you have to be prepared and not surprised based on where this thing could go. As you can see, we had that dip a few days ago where it dropped all the way down to 36 cents. So to go down to 20 cents, 25 cents will only be about 11, 10 more cents, to be honest. So that's not completely out of the question. That's not out of the question. Now I know we got this candle today, which is looking a little bit bearish, and it could form some consolidation maybe in the 65 cent and the 50 cent range between there, but we have to see that first. We have to see if it forms consolidation within there. If it breaks up, then fine, but if it breaks down, we could get back in the 40s, possibly the 20s. But like I said, the 20s is the most crazy dip buying scenario that I could see, but expect, based on the chart, because this is where it broke out at. Now if you look at the Coinbase chart, because I know a lot of people are on Coinbase, you can see I have my support level joined at about 44 cents because the history isn't as long. So as you can see there, it bounced slightly above there, and it's back at about 61 cents right now. So that's also good support based on the Coinbase chart. Now I would not mind adding some at this level if it was to hit 45 cents, but that wouldn't just be my level where I just go crazy in or going super hard. It would be super hard at the 25, around the 25-cent range, because that is a super sale. That is a super sale. Understand this thing was at $1. Right now it's about 40% off from where it was at the highest, but if it gets to 25 cents, that's 75% off. That is like a very good dip buying opportunity. So I would not be scared if that happens. I'll be prepared. I'm long term. If you're long term on Crypto.com, none of this shit really phase you. In all honesty, as far as price movement, I know nobody wants to see their accounts go down, but not trying to be pessimistic about it, but just being realistic about what could happen based on the current trends and what we've seen, because it did get to 37 cents, and that was a very good dip buy opportunity as well. But I just want y'all to be prepared. Now let's talk about VVS Finance and the partnership that they have. Now if you go to VVS Finance, you can see that they announced a partnership with Beefy Finance. And if you go to Beefy Finance, you will see that Beefy is a multi-chain yield optimizer that focuses on safety and auto compounds crypto assets for the best APYs. So if you go to the website, you can see that they have different networks of cryptocurrencies that you can provide liquidity to, and then earn APY. You can earn some of those crypto that you provide to their liquidity pools. So similar to VVS Finance as well as the videos I've been showing to y'all. So this is a very good partnership. If you look at the following, Beefy Finance has 216,000 followers. And if you look at the market cap for it, based on the market cap on CoinMarketCap.com, it's at 98 million. The coin itself is $1,364, so that is a lot, but the market cap is still low. So that's I don't know why they want it to be so expensive at a low market cap, but not as many people probably going to have a whole coin, of course, but it's still early in this coin as well. But the partnership is very good for VVS Finance. It's showing that they are willing to expand and grow the website outside of just developing their own coin itself, and forming partnerships can grow the social network of the coin itself and the page and expose it to more people, because more people know about Beefy Finance. That might lead them over to VVS Finance, will be very good, because you can see VVS Finance only has 36,000 followers. It's still very early. Do not forget that. If you're getting VVS Finance, if you're staking it, it's still very early. The price still is very attractive. It's at $200 million market cap right now. Price is at about 0.00012. So that's also was 0.00012. You know, that's also a very good price. It still has been consolidating in this range, especially if you look at it on Crypto.com. It's been staying within the 0.00011 range between and the 0.00014 range. And also the farms are still paying out very good APRs. CRO-VVS liquidity pool, $100 over a year right now is paying you about $12,000. It's at a very good rate. You know, now the rates can obviously change. I'm not saying they're going to stay the same for that long, but right now they're still very good. And another one that I like right now is the VVS-USDT. Those rates are absolutely lovely as well. $100 right now at the current rates, we have you at $40,000, almost $41,000 at it in a year. So that's paying out very good rates, and that's why we like VVS Finance, because we can earn the VVS Finance passively, and then, you know, if you want to mine it or stake it automatically, you can stake what you earn again and keep auto compounding that and be making more VVS Finance. Now, keep in mind why we really like VVS Finance, because it's supported by Crypto.com. You can go to Crypto.com, you can go to VVS Finance, you can buy it there, you can send it there, you can trade it there, and get it back for your real world money. You know, so that's really what we like about it. Even though I plan on having a long-term hold, but the support of it being on a major exchange, and that major exchange is making very big moves with advertisements. As you can see, that it is the name of where the Lakers play now. The arena is called Crypto.com. That is a very good sign. Do not shy away from any of that news. That is very good news. I believe the name has been changed as of today. Like in December, by like Christmas time, I think the name should be Crypto.com. So that's very solid. As you can see, you can trade, you can buy VVS right now on Crypto.com. That's why I've been buying it, sending it over to VVS, and then staking it there. So that's a very good method to get you some passive income. I've sold y'all the calculations. I've showed y'all the rates. We know the price. The chart is looking okay for itself right now. It's been staying in this range. Even with that massive crypto drop, it did not drop that far. It did not drop that far down, and I'm thinking that there's not maybe a lot of wells in this thing yet. So that's a very good sign, because there's a lot of wells in this thing, and it dropped with that big crypto drop. This thing would have came down too. They would have put it down, but it did not come down a lot. So in my opinion, I'm no financial advisor, that is a very good sign. That is a very good sign for VVS Finance. So this thing is looking very good. Long term, I'm still liking it. I do plan on continuing to keep farming to the liquidity pools and keep staking more VVS and earning more VVS. As long as these things are at these rates, I will continue to add. So even if CRO comes down, I'm looking to buy. Even if VVS comes down, I'm looking to buy. And as long as these rates stay good, as long as these farming rates stay good, stay high up here, I don't mind to continue to access the liquidity pools and keep earning income passively. Because as long as these rates are paying out like this, I'm here. I'm in it to win it. So you don't have to worry about me leaving you out there, because if I'm out here talking about it, I'm in it. You know what I'm saying? So that's one thing about me for sure. And like I said, just keep your eyes on Crypto.com, because that's always could be a good chance for you to get some more of this. And if you want to stake it, stake it. So even if it comes down, you're still earning on it. You know what I mean? It's a win-win. It is literally a win-win. So with that being said, I'm no financial advisor, but make sure you like the video. Hope you appreciate the update. Until next time, Densky out.